Hey everyone, do you say very tired, very happy, very big a lot? Today, I'm going to show you some better, stronger, and more natural ways to say those things. This lesson is all about upgrading your vocabulary so you sound more fluent and expressive in English. Why stop using very? Using very plus adjective is okay, but native speakers often replace it with a stronger word. It sounds more natural and helps you expand your vocabulary. Let's upgrade 10 common expressions. Number 1, very tired becomes exhausted. I was very tired after work. I was exhausted after work. Exhausted means you have no energy left. Number 2, very happy becomes thrilled. She was very happy to hear the news. She was thrilled to hear the news. Thrilled means extremely happy or extremely excited. Number 3, very big becomes huge. They have a very big house. They have a huge house. Huge is a stronger word for very big. Number 4, very small becomes tiny. He gave me a very small piece. He gave me a tiny piece. Tiny means extremely small. Number 5, very good becomes excellent. You did a very good job. You did an excellent job. Excellent means outstanding or perfect. Number 6, very bad becomes terrible. The service was very bad. The service was terrible. Terrible is stronger and more expressive. Number 7, very cold becomes freezing. It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. Freezing describes extremely low temperatures. Number 8, very hot becomes boiling. The water is very hot. The water is boiling. Boiling describes extremely high heat. Number 9, very clean becomes spotless. The kitchen is very clean. The kitchen is spotless. Spotless means perfectly clean, no dirt at all. Number 10, very dirty becomes filthy. Your shoes are very dirty. Your shoes are filthy. Filthy means extremely dirty. Here's a tip. Think of these stronger words as power words. They make your speaking and writing sound more natural and impressive. See, you don't need very anymore. You've got powerful words now. Let me know your favorite upgrade in the comments. And feel free to practice with your own sentences. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.